so absolutely knackered. Just basically was trying to wire up the rotary encoders, which were these little fellas, to the Raspberry Pi, and basically made a total dog's dinner of it and just wasn't happy with it. Ended up hacking it off, starting all over again. But what is it now? Something close to 6 hours later, we have something that looks like this. And hopefully is wired up to the screen. And I gave it a quick switch on. Luckily didn't find any magic smoke, but it still needs to run the code. So Don is gonna conference call in, and we're gonna see if we can use his magic SSH thing, which is basically wirelessly connecting and controlling the Raspberry Pi and then running the code. So we'll see how that goes. Absolutely knackered.